Welcome back. In our previous video we had discussed about the protocols, and now in this video we will discuss about how a complete website works. So let's see. First of all, we have a user that uses the internet to get a web page or a website. Okay, so first of all, a user open its browser and type a URL in the browser. For example, HTTPS, which is secure protocol, www.google.com. Okay, user wants to get this web page on its browser screen. Okay, so what happens is when user open the browser, enter the URL in the browser and press the enter, a request is sent to the DNS server. Now what is DNS server? DNS server is domain name server. Okay, so www.google.com is our domain name. Now www.google.com is not the actual address of the Google. The actual address of this Google is some IP address behind this domain name. Okay, you can take the example of your phone book to understand this. Okay, you have a number of a person named John and you will save it in your phone book with the name John. Okay, so when you search for a user or person John, you are not going to get John, you are going to get the contact number of John. In the same way, when we will type www.google.com, we are actually calling the IP address behind this google.com domain. Okay, so DNS server translates the domain to its original IP address, that is 216.58.211.110. When you will type this IP address in your browser URL part, you are going to get the google.com official homepage. Okay, so this is DNS server, domain name server, which actually converts your domain name into IP address. And after that, the request is sent to the main server with that IP address. And www.google.com homepage or this official homepage will be generated on the server, and then it will be sent to the client. And in this way, we will access the website. So this is the complete working of our website. I repeat it once again. First of all, a user open its browser, type a URL in it. A request is sent first of all to the DNS server, domain name server. The domain name server converts www.google.com domain to its original IP address. Because google.com is not the address of a server, IP address is the address of that server. Okay, after that, request is sent to the main server, and then server renders or process that page and then send back that page as a response to the client, and then it is displayed on the screen of your browser. So this is the working of the complete website. I hope that you understand. Now there are two types of websites, static websites and dynamic websites, and we are going to discuss about them in our next video. And also we've discussed about something called APIs in our next video. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.